Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. If you are frustrated or if this price action is annoying you or if you are irritated because of this market, we are seeing huge moves, volatile moves. Of course, India VIX is high. You don't have to worry, we are all on the same boat. Even though I speak too much, I talk too much, I made that much, I made this much. If you have been following us, I told I have shorted the market and I have made excellent money. Still, even though we have been making profit for the last 2 months, still I'm saying we are cost to cost only. If you have been following us, May month I made a very huge big losses, 6-digit loss. Still we are compensating that. Still we have to recover the losses. And if you calculate the charges, SGST, IGST, that and this, transaction charges, still we will be in net drawdown only, right? So why am I saying this is because people you have to see, most of you are seeing the social media, looking at fat profit, you will be having a FOMO effect, right? Fear of missing out, that we are not making money, everyone is making money. You don't have to believe all this crap. All you have to do is cut all this crap and short the market. Nothing is being factored into. People say everything is factored into. In fact, Dow Jones is down by is near 52 week low. Nasdaq is near 52 week low. Nothing is being factored into, and still we will see downside, and this market will give you surprises. That is the thing which I want to warn you all people, right? Don't be in a hurry. This is a rise on sell market. Every rise, I'm not saying the market is going to move in one direction. It is going to rise, of course it is going to rise, but whenever it is rising, it is an excellent opportunity to short the market. That is what FIIs are doing. And look at the USD INR. Indian rupees have depreciated so much, and today our finance minister FM is coming out and saying, when you compare this with other markets, our currency is of course holding is better, it is performing better. Of course you are spending so much on foreign reserve has depreciated so much. We have left it very less foreign reserve. Why did they are supporting, RBI is supporting the currency, then how come it will not fall? In spite of doing so much, still it has depreciated. I think almost 81, right? $1 is equal to 81 rupees. And look at most of our imports, oil imports are more than 75% of our imports are from outside only. Anyway, we don't have to talk about macroeconomics. We'll talk about that in brief in another video. So what is going to happen to our market? That is our prime concern, or what you have to do. I'll tell you frankly, if you are not feeling good of this market, if you are uncomfortable with this market, which you will face, I'm sure many of you will come have the same scenario. You just avoid this market, take some rest. If you can, go for vacation. You don't have to break your head or try to capture the trend, or in fact, where is the trend, you tell me? One day 200 points, next day gap down, then it is going up. If it gaps down, it will come the rally 400 points, then it will gap up 200, 300 points, then it will come. So it is very hard, right? That's why I told, looking at the social media, you don't have to get a FOMO effect. Just stay away from the market. Anyway, another 4 or 5% increase in India VIX, which is already at 20, I think. Yeah, almost 20. You'll have to stop trading. 25 is the thumb rule. Once it reaches above, it crosses above 25, stop trading. Maybe go to Dubai. You can attend any conclave where instead of wasting money here, maybe you can waste money there, right? Anyway, you don't mistake me, I'm not pointing anyone. Let us see what is happening in the market, and let's see what is going to happen in the future, right? So I don't have to tell much about the market. It was only IT index which was holding the market up. If it was not IT index, maybe Nifty would have gone below 17,000. It is just 5 or maybe 10 or 15 points away from 17,000. That also will be taken out tomorrow if there is a gap up. This 17,000 which is acting as a support is going to act as a resistance tomorrow. And Bank Nifty also just held above 38,500, which maybe will be taken out tomorrow. And the only thing which was in the green all over the places was Nifty IT. Apart from Nifty IT, whether it is Nifty 50, Pharma, Metal, FMCG, Bank, Auto was very much bad. Auto and Metal was very bad. Metal stocks were bleeding. Metal index was down by 4.13%, and Auto was very much down. It was down by 3.81%. So all the macroeconomic data is pointing out towards this thing downside. So it is wise to short the market. And when it comes to open interest also, there is literally no put trading at all. Every Tom, Dick and Harry in the market is writing call option. So why we shouldn't write call option? That is the obvious question, right? So everyone is writing means there is something bad in the market. You will also have to short the market. That is the wise thing you have to do. And FIs, till now I haven't got the data. Let me refresh the screen. Yeah, till now it is not updated. I'm sure they would have sold in high quantity because they don't like Indian rupees, such an expensive market. All this is a bluff. I'm just telling you. Not only this, I've been selling. I've been selling. That is a different story. I've been telling that this market will come down, it will come down. There is a divergence, negative divergence. Price action is showing higher high, and indicator RSI is showing higher low. So market will come down, and every people will come and tell 18,300 it will touch, 18,600 it will touch, 18,000 where it will touch. Yeah, it will touch 18,600, but you have to tell when it will touch. It has to touch in 2022, not in 2032, right? So 18,600 is not possible now. No matter what you say, I'm saying 18,600 is not at all possible. I'm talking about Nifty. Maybe there will be a rise. Maybe maximum it will go till 17,500 or 17,700. Then again they will short the market and bring it down. This is what is going to happen. This is a sell on raise market. All you have to do is sell the market. And the US future is also pointing downside trajectory. You know that US futures, we follow the US future than our own market. US future was going up and down, and our markets were also going up and down. And one more thing is, coming Friday, our RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das is going to come out and give us surprises. Of course, he is going to increase the interest rate. Nothing new in that, and that thing is factored into. Anyway, nobody cares. Even in economic calendar, whoever what they list all the important events. And this RBI interest rate event, they have not highlighted that, which means it is not having any significance. So more than RBI, we are following Federal Reserve. We don't act to RBI governor's speech or RBI governor's interest rate hike, but we react to Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's speech and this thing, right? So it is wise to stay away from the market. If you don't want to stay away from the market, just go and sell for OTM money with some hedges, so that at the end of the day you will make some really good money, right? And last but not the least, over the weekend there were so much rumors about China, that and this. There was Xi Jinping was thrown away from power, that and this, all kind of bullshit. Only in India they were talking. No world media was talking about that. And today morning when I opened this SGX Nifty, by the way, SGX Nifty is up by 100 points. Now I was checking, it was up by 150 points. Maybe it is flat. It is in the green. When Europe, US futures are in the red, SGX Nifty is in the green, right? And today morning when I saw world Asia Pacific market, China was all in the green, right? If there was any event, there was any military coup there in China, it should be deep in the red, right? But it is in the green. And I don't know what kind of weird politics or what markets these people are. Anyway, I hope I have summarized everything. Again and again, I'm saying you go and short the market, you will make some good money. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.